Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Nayo Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you how to extend a nail without a sculpting form, without a tip, and without a dual form. No forms needed. So we have the fabulous Annette here. Annette is one of my longest standing friends. We were best friends at primary school. So she's had to suffer me for a very long time. I'm going to wipe over the nail with the gel residue wipe off solution. So it's going to clean it up. If you look at Annette's nails, this is probably a little bit shorter than it is than her other nails. So we're going to make it a little bit longer. Now this is something that I've done for a long time. I'm going to use high speed because I want it to set up quite quickly. It's quite a cool trick really, this is. I'm going to use Rose Glow, new product alert. This is a beautiful colour. So we're still going to dehydrate the nail and put the primer on. So this is good if you have a client that has got a broken nail and you don't want like a massive big long nail like we do on Faye. They want a natural nail, but they want it to be a little bit longer because they may have broken it. So this is the primer. Gone to one coat, you know. I think this product I've had on my nail. See, I've got this product on my nail. I've got a new colour on my nail. I've got Flawless on this hand that is severely grown out. These were my Vegas nails. I was basically testing it to see what it's like, and I put one coat of primer on this and it hasn't shifted. So we're going with one coat of primer. And what we're going to do is pick up a bead. We're going to drain this out. So it's a drier bead than you probably would normally put on. So it's a medium to dry bead. And we want it like this because I don't want it to move. And I'm going to apply it to the middle, to the free edge of this nail. And you can see, because it doesn't move, because you've got that ratio drier than normal, you can actually pat it, and start to stretch the product out. So you're just going to sweep it back, and what you need to do is make sure it's not touching the skin underneath. So you'll need brush control underneath the nail, and then you're going to gently drag this out. Keep everything nice and neat underneath. Worst case scenario, if you've got product underneath the nail, what you would do is use an e-file, use a fine bit to actually clean under there. So this is looking a lot longer than it was before now. I'm going to put product on the back. I'm not going to bleed that out. Don't need to bleed the brush out when you're doing the cuticle area. Now if you think, oh actually I want it a little bit longer than that, I'll show you what you can do as well. So if you think, I want it a little bit longer than that, you're going to get another bead, bleed it out, pop it straight on the end, and move it from side to side, blend it back, and you're basically going to repeat what we did just. So we're going to pull, pat and press the product out. Keep everything nice and neat underneath. So you can only do this if you have the correct ratio. You need to pick up a bead that is medium to dry. You'll get that by using high speed and draining the back of the brush out. Just going to add a tiny bit here, quite wet. Just connecting everything together. So if I have a client that comes in and they don't want massively long nails, but they just want something that extends their nail out a little bit, this is exactly what I would do. I wouldn't bother putting a tip on, I wouldn't bother putting a sculpting form on. This makes everything a lot easier and quicker for you to do the service as well. So I'm going to pinch this nail now just to make it slender. So once that's set, we're going to take the pinching tool off. Then I'm going to file the side walls nice and straight. I'm just going to do my normal filing routine now. There's nothing really different about this.
Is it more difficult to file like shorter nails like that?
Not at all.
No.
Not at all.
It seems like it would be because like there's less area to be...
Oh, to hit with the file?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I get what you mean now. I don't think it is though. I think it's...
I would just end up filing myself more.
Yeah. All your fingers would be filed. No skin. I used to do that, you know. I used to file my skin loads to really change how I held the finger. So once you've filed, I'm going to buff over with the block just to smooth this out. And then we're going to wipe over with acetone. So this is great if you're going to do like a gel polish. So we could gel polish these and you would have a nail that is the same length as the other ones. I'll actually do it this way. Just break your hand, sorry.
What, you mean you're not that flexible? Honestly, where'd you get these models from?
So it's a nice length, that is. A sensible length. For a sensible girl. Yeah, right. I am going to apply top coat to that. So this is the Urban Graffiti top coat. Obviously you could put gel polish on, do whatever you want, do artwork on it, but at least you have a nail that's a reasonable length to work on. Pop that in the lamp. Going to finish off with cuticle oil. This one is pink pineapple. Is there such a thing as pink pineapples?
Pink grapefruit?
Yeah.
I don't think there is pink pineapples.
But it smells like pineapple. And it's pink.
There you go then, it's pink and it's pineapple.
Yeah. So there you are. That's how to extend a nail without a form, a tip, a dual form, top it. You know, we don't need nothing like that. We can make a nail. So it's good if maybe you're at home and you're out of the salon and you're like, I've got a bit of acrylic, but I don't have a sculpting form, I don't have no tips, and you broke a nail and you just need to extend it. This is how. So yeah, guys, I hope you've enjoyed that video. I hope it's helped you. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. And all the products that I've used today will be listed below as always. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Da 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 da. Thank you for putting it in my head. I won't be able to get rid of it all day. It's gonna drive me mad.